Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Reeti Kumari and I am back with another video on off-campus job and intern opportunities. So these job opportunities are comprises of two types: full-time job opportunities and intern opportunities. Some full-time opportunities for people who are currently in their final year as well who have graduated, and some intern opportunities for the people who are in their second, third or fourth year. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the very first opportunity in this list is from Salesforce. It is for the role of technical support engineer, and someone who is from the batch 2022 is applicable for this opportunity. Since the role is technical support engineer, I would really suggest you guys to have a quick look through that what technical support engineer does, what are their roles and responsibilities and everything, if you want to get a clear picture about that, and then you can apply to this opportunity. So let's have a quick look. So as you can see, it is for the technical support engineer. The job location is Hyderabad, Telangana, India. The company is Salesforce, and here they have given to guess the best candidate experience. Please consider applying for a maximum of 3 roles within 12 months to ensure that you are not duplicating the efforts. So within 12 months you are suggested to apply only for 3 roles, so that you don't duplicate the efforts of the people who are working in that company in rectifying your resume and shortlisting you. So basically here the job category is given here, the job details is given here. So here you can see the job description, where they have given something about the company. Salesforce.com is the global leader in customer relationship management CRM software. They are pioneer to shift the cloud computing, and today delivering the next generation of social media cloud technologies that help company to revolutionize the way they sell, service, market and innovate and become customer companies. So basically here you can see the role scope. So support engineer profile gives you an opportunity to expand your expertise across the Salesforce platform. So you can have a good look on the role scope here as well, that what does a technical support engineer does. So working with developers from other companies and helping them finding solution to their business cases will always keep you engaged and motivated at work. Learning opportunities are limitless. Support engineer profile is one of the best opportunities to master Salesforce platform and achieve your career goal. So they have given something about their work hours and everything according to IST and Eastern Standard Time and everything. And here you can see the experience and skill required. So someone who is having BTech or BS degree in a technical field is strongly preferred, with a good academic record. Someone who is having good experience with JavaScript, REST APIs, debugging, troubleshooting the errors, Visualforce, SQL, deployment, metadata API, flows, process builder, authentication like the SSO authentication, streaming API, mobile dev, excellent written and verbal communication skills, solid understanding of internet technologies like firewalls, web server, web proxy servers, etc. You might have read about these terms in computer network subject during your semester exams as well. So understanding of a good database concepts and management is a plus point for them. So basically here they have given something about the roles and responsibilities. So you should be able to write sample code, client libraries and contribute to open source project. You should be able to manage the customer's expectation and experience. You should be able to develop and maintain technical expertise in assigned areas of product functionality and utilize the expertise effectively to the helping in the customers. So basically they have also given something about the accommodation. So if you require assistance due to a disability applying for open positions, please submit a request for the accommodation form. So here you can see something about the company and how the company works, how they are giving an equal opportunity to everyone, diversity, everything is mentioned here. So here you can see the seniority level is not applicable, the employment type is full time, the job function is given below and industry is given below. So you just need to hit this apply button and you're good to go with this opportunity. Also I would like to say that please go ahead and apply ASAP, because Salesforce is a company, whenever they hire they just closes their form within few hours only. So what I would suggest is just go ahead and apply. Don't wait for any kind of referral. It would be perfect that if you go ahead and apply on yourself. Second opportunity in this list is from Google. It is for the role of software engineer, and someone who is from the batch 2021 and 2020 is applicable for this opportunity. So this opportunity is for someone who is experienced. So this opportunity I also got to know via LinkedIn. So here you can see they have given the JD. So bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, 1 year of experience with software developer in one or more programming languages like Python, C, C++, JavaScript and Java. So here you can see guys, like they have mentioned all the language. So language shouldn't be any barrier in your online assessment or either in your interviews. So the preferred qualification is someone who is having a master's degree, but minimum qualification is someone who is having a bachelor's degree. So they have given something about the job, what about Google is all about, the responsibilities: write product or system development code, participate in lead design reviews, review code developed by others developer and provide feedback, contribute to existing documentation, and triage product or system issues and debug by analyzing the source of issues. So here they have given something about the Google policies and their diversity and equal opportunity, everything. So here you can see the seniority level is not given, the full-time role and industry is given, job function is given. So you just need to hit this apply button. You would be transferred to the Google careers page, and there you can go ahead and apply to this opportunity. So the third and last opportunity in this list is from Adobe. It is for the role of product intern, and someone who is from the batch 2023 is applicable for this opportunity. So let's have a quick look at this as well. So as you can see, it is 2023 intern, product intern, and here they have given about the job ID, the job location, Bangalore, Noida, and here you can find this apply now button. So basically you can have a quick look on what Adobe is all about, what is their mission. They have also given this explore location, and here you can find this apply now button. So basically you can just hit this apply now button and you're good to go with this opportunity. So this was all about the off-campus job and intern opportunities in this video. I'll be coming with some more videos on hiring opportunities in tech. If you're someone who is liking my content, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel and like my content and also wants to stay updated about the off-campus job, intern opportunities, some technical aspects as well, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're someone who is watching this video and knows any kind of hiring opportunity which is going on, or if you are also hiring, please comment it down in the comment section so that I can spread the word into the community. So this was all about this video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep going. Bye all.